In the last episode, I said your net worth is your net worth. This video is what that actually looks like in real life. Not quotes, not motivation, execution. Because one simple conversation turned into something that impacts me every single week. What's good? I'm Juan. Welcome back to the Everyday Come Up. No hype, no fake flexing. Just real moves that actually work. Everybody online talks about side hustles like they're exciting. Crypto flips, e-commerce screenshots, I made 10K in 30 days energy. But nobody talks about the boring stuff. The stuff that quietly pays you every month while everybody else is still planning. And this is where network comes in. Because I didn't wake up one day and say, yeah, I want to be a vending machine guy. The opportunity came from a conversation. I'm at work one day and this lady walks in with a nice bankroll in a bag. I'm joking around like, okay, I see you. And she just casually says, it's for my vending machines. I'm on my way to the bank. And we had a sidebar conversation. No hype, no pitch deck, just calm. But that conversation bounced around in my head for a few days. And it made me take action. Because she wasn't talking about something she wanted to do. She was talking about something she had already built. Most people don't miss this opportunity because they don't have money. They miss them because they don't take initiative. They don't ask questions. They don't do the legwork. They don't use that savings to invest in something real. They stay stuck in one-day mode. Think about it. People gotta eat, people gotta drink, and they do it every single day. Vending machines don't need followers. They don't need algorithms. They don't need motivation. They just sit there and work. Ain't nothing sexy about hauling boxes of snacks and cases of drinks. Ain't nothing cool about refilling machines on your off day. But you know what is cool? Money hitting your account without clocking in. And honestly, there's something satisfying about it. You show up, top the machines off, and you see people's little moment of gratification and excitement. This isn't a get rich overnight play. It's a get paid every week play. Small numbers at first, but they stack quietly. And here's the hard part nobody tells you. The hardest part isn't the machine. It's the location. Because the machine doesn't make money in your garage or in low traffic spot. It makes money where people already are. And locations come from people. That's why I keep saying your net worth is your net worth. Because proximity creates opportunity, not luck. I'm not here to impress you with numbers. I'm here to show you what happens when you build income that doesn't depend on your time every single day. Everybody chasing loud money, flashy money. I'm chasing quiet money. Money that don't need applause. If you got kids or a family or a job you can't quit yet, this type of income matters because now you're not relying on just one source. And what makes it even better, your kids could be part of it too. They can go with you to restock the machines, help pick out what goes in there, help fill them up. Now they're not just watching you work, they're watching you build. This ain't really about vending machines. It's about recognizing systems that already work and plugged into them. Success ain't always loud and exciting. Sometimes success looks like doing the same boring thing consistently. And that's why I talked about saving and Mindset Mondays. Not just to save, but to be in position. Because when opportunities show up, you don't want to be interested. You want to be ready. Next video, I'm addressing the biggest lie in money culture. Do a little bit of everything. Diversify. That's how you stay average. Wealth comes from going deep in one thing long enough that you own it. Forget diversification. Depth builds wealth. If this video helps you see money differently, hit that like button. It helps more than you think. And subscribe if you're building something real. One smart move at a time. And drop a comment. Would you rather build quiet monthly income like this or chase loud money that looks good online? I want to hear how you think. No hype, no shortcuts. Just the everyday come up. Make smart moves. And I see you on the come up.